Greetings, queens. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wig review from one of my favorite companies called Sensational and their Butta lace collection. This is unit 10. Here it is, a beautiful wavy wig. If any of you are like me in the summertime, I love a good curly wig. Now this one has HD lace. It has a right side part, so you can't shift it. It's pre-plucked. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps, and it also has baby hairs. Now, let me get this on. As you can see, the lace is pretty transparent, but it's still a little on the ashy side. And you know what I do, use some foundation or pressed powder, and you can fix that right up to blend with your skin tone exactly. Now, I love this because it fits around the ears, the construction, as you see, and you can't shift it. You have to keep it as a right side part, but it fits over my ears nicely and it's snug. As you can see from the sides, it's pretty full for my liking. Even though it's pre-plucked, would like it a little thinner, but being that this is a curly wig, if I was to pluck it, I realized it would mess up the definitions of the curls. So I basically have to leave it this way. So I am going to tweak it a little, so enjoy as I do so.
want, you are free. The moonlight's whispering. Flesh and flesh. Take whatever that you want. Flesh and flesh. Oh, so let's flesh and flesh come alive. Earth is crying sweet. You are free. Moonlight's whispering. Come alive. Yeah, yeah. Take whatever that you want. You are free. You are free. Yeah.
Okay, family, I tweaked it. If you want that wet look of a synthetic wig, this butter lace, what lace, but unit number 10, I got it in one, so it's jet black. This is beautiful. By Sensational be doing their thing with these they butter lace collection. So I wanted a wet look wig for the summertime. I don't know why. In the summer, I like that crinky look. Wanted something curly. Now I went in and I had tweaked it initially. When you saw it, it's pre-plucked, but it was a little fuller than I would like, because you know I like to go in and tweeze my hairline a little bit. So I did it a little more. If you can tell the difference, I wanted to show you a little bit from, that's why I wanted to show you when I first got it out compared to when I tweezed it a little. But then I realized, yikes, Kathy, because you can't tweak too much, because you know normally when I mean tease, when I go to tease, you know, if it's a human hair or a straight wig, you know, I can just brush it out and I'll show you the how much hair I plucked out. But I couldn't do too much. I said it's not that bad. Yeah, the hairline is not that bad. It was really full. But I said, wait a minute, if you tease it, if you can't pull it out, because you'll mess up the curls and it'll get frizzy. Because let's not forget, this is synthetic. So I said I had to lay low with a little bit. I did a little. But when I went back in, I pulled some out. I didn't get that too much. I would have showed you. I didn't tweeze too much. And then what I did is I went in there with my mousse a little bit and twirled my fingers around, because I didn't want to mess up the definition and construction of, you know, the curls. So I didn't do too much of that. You see the baby hairs. I always, you know, have to tweak extra because of depending on how your hair fits. So I had to pull some hair from out and cut it to lay in, because the baby hairs wasn't, I wish they would come right here so I can do this little, you know, sideburn action, but it wasn't enough the way I wanted it. This one was a little bit better. I didn't have to cut like I did this side, but yeah. So baby hairs wasn't too thick. It was kind of thin. That was good. I love, the best thing I love besides the curl definition is the part. They have a new wider parting. So I added some pressed powder just to, you know, match my skin tone, because even though it's that HD lace, it's still a little ash. I wanted it more, so I put pressed powder around the lace of the wig, around the you know, around the head part, and then in the parting space. But it's great because you don't have to go back in and do any teasing to the part. It's wide, it's beautiful, and it's a long part. Now, you know, as I showed you, it's going to be a right side part, If you shift it, it'll probably be crooked, the wig, because it's going kind of like a bend. It wouldn't work too good as a middle part as well. And you can't do a left side part because it's definitely going to be crooked. So it's a right side part wig, definitely hands down, so it can be the way it's supposed to be. That's just how the construction of this is made, but it's lovely. The curls are so soft. It doesn't say how many inches. It's good and full. I would say, I don't know, 26, 28 maybe. Virtually undetectable HD lace. And when I put the lace on my skin, it pretty much did disappear. If you saw, it wasn't showing at all. I'm just used to putting the powder on a little bit more because of my makeup, but it really did good for my skin. It's ear to ear, so I wanted to show you the measurement. I didn't have to go into the construction of the wig. It goes around my ear pretty well, so I guess it basically depends on your head size. If you have a little teeny tiny peanut head, I don't know, it may be a little loose on you, but you have the adjustable straps. You can tighten it as well and use your combs. Yeah. So this, see, as a construction, you're gonna have to wear it like that. It comes in great colors. It's like a dark, deep red ombre color. It's a bronze, like copper color red, lighter red, that T230, if you're familiar with that. Then you have the light blonde color, T227. Then you have number 4, flamboyage gold, and a flamboyage chocolate. So these are some beautiful colors that you can get this wig in. And if you want a nice synthetic wig that's inexpensive, maybe around 45 bucks, definitely get the butter lace. This number 10 is beautiful. Let me know what you think. I will put in the description the specs as well as the link for you to purchase directly. Most of the wig stores, including Amazon, where I picked up mine, you can get it as well, but I pick the link in the description from Amazon, and you can get it from there. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this. Until next time, stay authentically you and live the life you deserve.